The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is a new foldable phone that has received substantial updates. The 256GB variant is currently priced at $1,999, with 512GB and 1TB choices available. The phone is available in 3 normal colors, as well as a distinctive mint green variation. The design and form factor have been much improved, with the Z Fold 7 being nearly as thick as the S25 Ultra. The phone is much lighter, weighing 215 grams, almost twice that of the S25 Ultra. The rear glass has been improved to Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the exterior display is Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2. The primary inner display has been revamped with a titanium plate layer, making it the most rugged and durable Z Fold ever. The phone also boasts a bigger 6.5-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which is broader and has a 21:9 aspect ratio. When unfolded, the 8-inch primary display is bigger and gives an excellent viewing experience. Samsung's design modifications have been refined rather than superfluous, with vital components being larger and more prominent while unneeded ones being reduced. The Z Fold 7 is now more pleasant to use, whether folded up or unfolded. Samsung's Z Fold 7 Ultra has a 200-megapixel rear camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto and 12-megapixel ultrawide camera, and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera with a wider 100-degree selfie. The phone also employs Samsung's G Pro visual engine for pictures and movies, which includes 10-bit HDR by default. The Z Fold 7 also contains Galaxy AI capabilities, functionalities, and apps that are designed for the huge inner screen. The phone includes a Snapdragon 8 Elite CPU, One UI 8 and Android 16 upgrades, and a 7-year software warranty. The Z Fold 7 features a 4,400 mAh battery and supports 25-watt wired charging, wireless charging 2.0, and reverse charging. The most significant modifications to the Z Fold 7 are enhanced physical hardware, the addition of a 200-megapixel ultra camera, and Galaxy AI and One UI software advancements. Pre-orders begin on July 25th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.